mixed up with the other duckies outside. We already lost one ducky. Okay, by the way, thank you, Lord, for the beautiful day today. Oh, my father is pruning the the grapes. Pinuputol pa pa? Look at these grapes here. Yeah, pruning the grapes. Yeah. Yeah, they have to. Yes, we have it here. There's more here. Ano yan pa? Yan na siya. Oh, nice. My baby is calling for me. Mata ng mga bebe. Sing ng mga bebe. There's more here. Okay guys, this is our live for today. Thank you so much for watching. Nakapito man, nawawala na yung isang pato ma. Nawala yung isang pato.
Nawawala?
May ipot pala to. Ah? Kin ano? Ah? O, baka nakinaka na dyan. Diba nakakulong? Siyam na lang. May nailing nga ni sina, ano nga ni ma? May nailing sinda. Idjo. Sinda. Sinda Mark Baro. Nag-iistorya. Yang idjo. Idjo ito. Itong nagkakakaning sugok. Kagabi 10 yan. Itlog pa? Saan? Ay, oo, may itlog pa.
Dapat digdi ho. Uwas mo yan agam dyan. Baka dyan na nagkakaranap.
Ay, hindi. May kumain. May kumain.
Ay, baka kulit na nakukuha ang itlog. Si, kuan na. Dahil kaya yaon lang yun dyan. Mali na pa raw ito eh. O kaya dapat siguro pabayuhon mo lang digdi.
Kadoki, I'm going to end this live. We have 7 eggs. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you, thank you. Hola. Thank you everyone. Thank you Holland Puarten and Zeo and to our 21 live viewers. Thank you so much. And to our 8 likers, thank you for giving us like. We have so many eggs in here. We collected a lot of eggs plus 7 today. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for today's eggs. I'll put it here. Thank you, Lord, for the eggs. Saan ko na ba ito ilagay? Dito na lang sa